Here I have OnePlus A 5010 and let me show you how to set up a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then scroll down, find and select the settings. Here you have to pick display, scroll down one more time and tap on wallpapers. And now you have to pick either one from your photos or select one from the OnePlus gallery. So let me pick, for example, this picture. And now you can pick the particular picture for your home screen. So it's here. We can change it to this one and then choose your lock screen. And now you have to select the wallpaper that you would like to cover your lock screen with. So maybe this one. So now, as you can see, lock screen will be covered with a blue one and then your home screen will be covered with red one. When you pick the wallpaper that you would like to have, just tap on save. Now you have to wait a few seconds and now your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and the second one is on your lock screen, so as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.